So there's my window right there, and had to take a couple measurements to make sure that my rough stud opening was fine. Now I really wanted to have like a continuous stud going up here. So but also the window kind of needs to go here. So I'm actually going to double up on this spot here, and I'm going to have to use some pocket screws for this piece because I really want, where's it gone? Over here. I really want this piece in here, but it's going to be butted up against the frame for the window right there. So I'm not going to be able to butt screw it from here. So I'll have to probably put in a couple of pocket screws. I will be running across with another brace across here, so I'll be able to screw that down there. But anyway, it's all a work in progress. This is not a kit, so I'm doing it on the fly with my plan that's over there. So that's it. That's the fun of building. Okay, after multiple measurements and remeasurements and measurementing again, yeah, that sounds about right. Got the window in. So that's just temporarily just put there just to show everybody what it looks like. And up here, this is going to be the last stud in the wall right here. And the curve will be coming somewhere down around here. Not quite sure yet, so I cut this long so that I can trim that later when we build the actual curve. And here's the completed side. Got the cross braces in there, and this is where the according to the plan, where it's the curve is supposed to start. But like I said, I made it a little longer, and the same thing here. I think the curve is supposed to start around right here, but I made it a little longer. Better have a little longer than too short. So I'm going to make a mirror side of this. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to test fit this now on the correct side, then straighten everything up, shove the trailer over, put my miter saw over there, and then test fit this wall on this side, on the other side. See how it goes. Yeah, it sounds like a plan. Okay, so I've got my garage reversed, and this is the wall that was on the other side. And it fits, so I just got to make a mirror of this one. I actually had a buddy of mine show up. He's got a bit of an engineering background, and he started making some comments, all good comments, making some suggestions about bracing, that maybe I should put some extra bracing up here based on the side loads of the wind. He gave me some ideas to put on this side, put a couple more in there, and on this side go like that way, and also probably put a couple up here like there, and maybe there as well, because with the wind going down the road coming this direction, it'll transfer the load. But anyway, so he's going to give it some extra thought, maybe do some calculations and get back to me. So it's good to have engineering friends if they're not too annoying. Anyway, so okay, so I'm going to get back, just start cutting pieces to mirror this wall. Excellent. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much easier building this new wall with this one as the template. When I cut the bottom piece, exact same size, I just measured and just bang, 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 just marked it on the board that's out there on my makeshift table. Now I'm just going to cut these 54 3/4, which are like these here. Bang, bang, bang. And then put those braces in there. Just measure those and put those in. It's going to be a breeze. Well, I won't say that. It's going to be a lot easier, a lot less figuring, because I got all the figuring done making wall number 1. Excellent. Well, it's kind of late in the day. Well, 6:30. Late for me. Got the 2 walls built. This one for the driver's side, let's say, was way quicker to build than the one for the passenger side, because I had to check all those measurements, and the one for the driver's side is an exact duplicate of the one for the other side. Now all I have to do, I'll do this tomorrow, I'll put the cross braces in there and a couple of additional cross braces up front for some stability. Now I'm just gonna pop this one in. Actually, I'm gonna pop both of them in, see what it looks like. Just 1 second. Okay, this is what she looks like so far. Let's go give my wife and show her. I think she'll be a little excited. Got a lot done today, even though I didn't think I would, but I did. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Hello to day 10. Today is not going to be a very, visual, moving along type of day. Got a lot of little things I need to do. I need to attach the dollies. I need to clean. We got the bigger hatch. I need to clean all that gummy tape stuff off that and straighten out a bit of aluminum on that. Frame out for that. Need to do a little bit bracing on the side that I didn't do yesterday. A little bit of extra bracing on the back. A couple of extra pieces of bracing on the front that I didn't initially put in place. Reinforce the tie-down places. Tie them here. Also sort of prep the plates to go there, as well as sort of plane these sides, like take all the high points off with my planer. So it's going to be a lot of little things here today. But not a lot of visual progress, but stuff that's sort of got to be done before I move forward. So this is what I mentioned about connecting the dollies. I just put a piece of strapping on each side so that they act as one unit, because when I eventually roll it out of the garage onto the crushed stone, I want to have all these lined up, because I have something up my head. I'm pointing to my head here now on how to roll this out and stop. These casters roll everywhere, but I have something in mind to keep it running straight, and this is part of the process. Anyway, that's just one little thing I had to do today. Well, it's the end of day 10. Stopping early today because it's just too warm to be doing anything warm and sticky. And yeah, getting a little tired. So I got most of the things done on my list. I wanted to get my wife's bed sort of area framed out there. Didn't get that done. And I didn't get the front section here framed out for the hatch. Wanted to get that done, but it never happened. But that's it. Okay, day 10. See you on day 11.